Yes, YouTube. Good morning and welcome back again. You know, it's been a long time that I've posted some videos, but the thing is, I've been busy with a lot of other things, and I will show you guys later in this video what I built and what I'm expecting for BTC now at the moment. My last video a month ago, I already thought that God candles came in, right? We sweep down, we came up, and we retraced the 50 line on the daily time frame to eventually dump crazy, right? As we speak, we are now at 88.3k, and I see something happening on the 4-hour time frame. I see reversal coming now, and I want to update you guys for potential upside for BTC. So guys, a quick update, and with that said, let's go to the chart. So as you guys can see now, we're watching at BTC to USDT again, and if you go to the 4-hour time frame, you can literally see that we're creating a very nice bullish divergence on the 4-hour time frame, right? So yesterday I took this long here from this retracement, and I closed this morning on the 618 on this swing low, I thought, right? Or on this one. So you can see how nicely we retraced the 618 here to eventually come down again. So what I'm trying to do for today is I just try to catch the daily bottom, and I open a long position on this 618 here to eventually catch the ride up to the 786, right? So we scalp this price action, because the thing is, there's a lot of buy side liquidity above this wick, so you can expect rejections here, right? Because orders got filled. So I just scalped this I entered the 618 and I scalp it to the 786 to catch buy side liquidity. You can see that there's also a crazy wick here, so there's a possibility that we snap up to this pool of liquidity to eventually reject again, right? So we have to just be careful, because there's a lot of liquidity here, and we have to see what's happening. We have to break this buy side liquidity or this resistance line to eventually fill up this fair value gap here. But if you go to the daily time frame, I'm expecting for the long run, I'm expecting BTC to come back to the 618. Not immediately, but we have to see what's happening the coming days, right? So that's why I scalped this price action, because the 4-hour looks bullish, but it doesn't mean that we snap up immediately. So you can see that this 50 line lines perfectly from the daily time frame with this buy side liquidity pool. So there's a possibility that we fill this orders to eventually come down. And then we have to see if we retrace a 618 again for potential upside, right? We have to retrace again to come to the 618 here to eventually go to 93k, where also our CME gap is, right? If you turn on the CME gap, you can see that there is a CME gap here, a small gap here. So that is 92.9k, let's say 93k, right? So again, guys, 4-hour bullish. Let's turn off the CME gaps here. Again, 4-hour bullish. Looks very bullish, to be honest. You can see this divergence here on the RSI. So I'm waiting for retracement on the 618. To eventually go to buy side liquidity. That's also the 50 line on the daily time frame. So guys, that's a little bit what I'm expecting now for BTC. If you want to join our trading group, you have to go to the link in the description, cryptohersons.com, and you will get redirected to our new website. So once you click the link, you will get redirected to the website, cryptohersons.com. And what you need to do actually is, when you go to a free ebook, you fill in your name and your email address, and once you did that, you receive an email with a link to the Discord server and also a free link to download the ebook so you will be prepared before you enter the trading group, right? Just one reminder, everything is for free, but I want to filter the real guys from the trolls, because there's a lot of fake and a lot of scam in this industry. So you know, you're free to join, and this is a way to filter the real ones from the fakes, right? So again, guys, you know, BTC, expect upside, wait for retracement, enter on the 618 to eventually trade to buy side liquidity on the 50 line on the daily time frame. So guys, I thank you all for watching. You know, stay safe, and you know, stay tuned, because I will post more videos the coming period. You know, I have more time, I'm on a different location, and you know, let's rock this thing. So again, guys, I thank you all for watching. Stay safe, make profits, and God bless you all. See you in my next video.